So I was doing a little bit of research, and okay guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a ClickBank method that's very powerful and could make you a lot of sales in a quick amount of time. So if you're ready to see this, I'm going to flip over here to my other monitor right now and get started on that. Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. And my name is Kevin Lehner with the Freedom Motivator channel, as you see here. And if this is your first time here to my videos or to my channel, and you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, because I'm always coming out with ways to help you guys make money online and bring more time and financial freedom into your lives. After all, that's what this channel is about. Alright, well, what you want to do is, if you haven't yet subscribed, come over here and click the subscribe button. There should be one right below your video there. And make sure that you click that little bell that'll be right beside it there, so that you get notified when I upload new videos, which you do pretty regularly here on this channel. Okay, well, with that out of the way, let's go ahead and get started in on today's video. I got a method here that's going to show you how to sell a ClickBank product, and it will get you a lot of sales in a quick amount of time. So you want to stick with me in this video so that you see the power behind this method that I'm going to show you right now. Alright, so what we're going to do is we'll come over here. I went and I did a little research on Google Trends. This is Google Trends, as you can see here. It's up here in the address bar. I don't know if I can get it right there. Trends.google.com, you see that? And I just typed in weight loss because I wanted to see how, how many people were searching for weight loss, to lose weight. And lo and behold, there's quite a lot. You see right here, just in June 21st to 27th of this year, you see it's really high. Anything up around 100 means there's a lot of interest and a lot of people that are searching on ways to lose weight. And if we look, even if we go worldwide with it here, if I come back here and choose worldwide, you can see that it's the same amount of interest all over the world. It's really high right now. It did drop down, it looks like, right around March of this year, but it came right back up. And why do you think that is? I'd say it's because it's summertime and everybody wants to look good on the beach, right? They want to lose weight and look good in those bikinis and swimming trunks or whatever, okay? So, but anyways, you can see there's a high amount of interest in how to lose weight or losing weight. And I looked around and I thought, well, I wonder if we could find any success stories on how people have lost weight. So I went to google.com and I typed in here in the address bar, if you can see it right here, which, by the way, I'm at Google here, and you can see I typed in lose weight success stories in 2020 here. And I found, you can see there's all kinds of different sites here that show weight loss success stories and so on, before and after pics and amazing weight loss. There's all kinds of them down through here. So I just picked one, for example, like this one right here. 10 women share the most important factor that helped them to lose weight, and clicked on that, and it brings it over here, and it's shape.com, which is a women's magazine pretty much. And you can see that there's people here that share their success stories on how they lost weight and so on and so forth, and it just goes on down. It's all kinds of different success stories and stuff here to do with that. Then I thought, well, how can we do this and make this work into a method with a ClickBank product? So I thought, okay, well, I know ClickBank has, lots of products that have to do with weight loss, right? So first thing I come over here to ClickBank, which you can come over to ClickBank if you don't have an account at ClickBank. It's free to create one, guys. Just click on create account at clickbank.com and get signed up and get your affiliate ID or account nickname. And then you want to click on Marketplace right here, and it brings you over to the Marketplace page. And what I did was, if you look right here in the search engine, I just typed in weight loss right there, and I sorted by gravity here. As you can see, there's different things that you can sort by, and I just chose gravity. And then when I searched, it brought up these products right here, and there's all kinds of them. The Lepto Connect, Cinderella Solution, Keto Resources, and it just goes on and on. You can see that the gravity is all high on each one of these. That means that these products are being sold pretty readily on the internet by other marketers, okay, such as you and I. And so that any one of these products, as you can see right here just on this first page, and there's like several pages of them, are all good. Even the bottom one here is at 68 gravity, which anything over 30 is considered to be good. But I like this one up here at top. This is a new one. You guys have seen me do videos on this one before. It's called Lepto Connect, and you can make $115.30 per sale. Now that price had went up over the last video I did here about a week or so ago, that on using this particular product in the method was at 110, so it's gone up $5 more. You can make $5 more than a week ago at least anyway. Then what I did was, of course, now I've stepped ahead of guys in this video a little bit, try to shorten it down a little bit for you in this method here. So, and also this can be done anywhere in the world. If you don't have access to ClickBank and you're living in another part of the world, then you can use digistore24.com. digistore24.com, and you can find a lot of these same weight loss products on that site as well, which you should be able to access because they're based in Germany. Okay, so for our example today, we're using ClickBank, and I clicked on Promote right here, and it brought up this page right here. Of course, you make sure that your account nickname is in there. Tracking ID is optional. I'm not going to use it for this method, and I just left it at the default, which is a video sales letter page. And I clicked on generate hop links, and it brought this hop link down here that you see at the bottom, and then I copied it just by clicking this button right here. And then after that, I brought it over to bitly.com, right? You guys know about bitly.com, and I clicked to put that link right in there and shortened it up, and it gave us this nice little link right here. So when you do that, you want to make sure that you Bitly and click shorten and shorten it up and get a nice little decent link like this right here. So we're going to leave this right here for now. Like I said, I've stepped ahead to show you this method to sort of cut down on the time of this video. So then I thought, okay, I come down here and I come over here and I clicked on this particular story right here. This woman wants to know that transformation right here, and I clicked on that, and it brought up this particular success story right here, and it's about a girl named Chandler Salsaby, and she talks about her success in losing weight over the last 2 years. And you know, people like success stories, right? People love to read success stories. So this one would be a good one right here. Then I thought, how are we going to promote this? So I thought what we'll do is we'll come over to like reddit.com, and if you come over to Reddit, you can see up here in the address bar here, I'm at reddit.com. Reddit is a site where people like Quora, people ask questions and things on how to do this or how to do that, and weight loss is one of those. Front here, what you do is I come in and I typed in their search engine right here. I typed in lose weight, as you see right here, just like I did on the Google Trends right here, same thing. It brings up all of these subreddits. Now, subreddits are just like Facebook groups. They're just groups that you can join, as you see right here over on the left. You can join all these different ones. But the neat thing about this is, if you look here, is all of these got lots of members in them. Look, 312,000, 20.8 thousand. 7.7 million members here, 2.3 million members, and it goes on and on and on, and there's all kinds of these subreddit groups that you can come and work with this particular method I'm going to show you here. Now this method that I'm going to show you will require you to have a Gmail account or a Yahoo Mail or something like that. You need to have an email account, preferably Gmail, okay, to do this particular method today, because this is also going to be an autopilot thing where you set it and forget it, other than posting on Reddit. And what you want to do, the idea here is, you see I've joined just one group right here, and that was this one right here called Lose It, because it's got 2.3 million members just in this group right here, and it says right here it's a place for people of all sizes to discuss healthy and sustainable methods of weight loss. Whether you need to lose 2 pounds or 400 pounds, you're welcome here. And so I joined on that one, and then when you click on that, for example, it brings you over here into that, and since I'm joined it, you can see all of these people are talking about down through here about how to lose weight and wanting to lose weight, showing different foods and different ideas, and sharing all of their different ideas and so on about losing weight, and tips and tricks and things like that. What I decided to do is we would create a post here on this site, and all you got to do is click on create a post, and it brings you over to here, and it'll open this up, and it's an editor, and you can create a post. And what I'm doing is I'm created a post here, and you'll see that I put in this title right here, and it's this particular article right here, and the name on it is about a person named Chandler Sosaby, and she talks about how she had lost over 85 pounds over the course of a couple of years, and it's her story and how she did that and how she succeeded accomplishing her weight loss goals. Okay, what I did is come over here to create a post in Reddit here, and when you click create a post after you join the groups, remember you want to join as many of those groups as you can, because the more times you post, like what you see right here, the more chances you have to make money with the Leptotalks, or whichever. You can, if you want, you can use more than one product in this particular method. If you want, you can use 4 or 5 of these weight loss products, so that your customer or your person that clicks over and emails you, because we're going to be using Gmail, will be able to see all the different products that they can choose from, 4 or 5 different products, so that they can even look into, and because they'll be interested in seeing it, and they can look into it, choose which one they want. So it even enhances your ability to make even more money like that. Okay, all right, so what I did was I created this, it said, and I put in here how Chandler Sosaby lost 85 pounds in a short period of time, and I said, how did she do this? See, that creates interest. And then I said down here, hi, I share success stories of how women have lost weight healthily in a short period of time, and Chandler Sosaby is no exception. It's a truly inspirational journey and story, and I hope it gives you inspiration and motivation in your journey. You guys just want to create a post similar to this. And then I said here also, I said, if you would like to see more weight loss tips and tricks and food diets to help for free, just email me. And then I put my email address in here, and I'll get it over to you immediately. Now, what I want you to pay attention to right here, guys, is because Reddit doesn't like direct email addresses in posts, okay? But if you'll notice right here, right after it's the Gmail word right there, I don't know if you can see it, so I'll try to come closer. Right after Gmail, I put a space right there between the L and the dot before com right there. You see that? There's a space there. Make sure that you do that, and that way it'll keep you from getting your post rejected off of Reddit, as long as there's a space there, because it doesn't even look like a legal email address because of that space. So then when somebody clicks on that, it'll bring them over to your Gmail, or they can copy and paste it. I'm sure they'll recognize that anyway. Then down here at the bottom, you see what I did was I posted or pasted the link to that Chandler Sosaby's story, right? As you see, I come right here, and I clicked on this right here, and I copied this link to this particular story. You see that? And I brought that story over here and pasted it in right down here, so that they can click on that link and read that story as well. And then I put my email address up here about weight loss tips and tricks. So then, after I got that set up, then what I did was I came over to my Gmail account. Come over to Gmail. When you log into your Gmail account, you want to click on settings right up here above my head. You see that gear icon there? You click on that, and that opens up your settings, and then you just want to stay under the general settings here. Now, if you're in a different country, this might look a little bit different to you, but you want to scroll clear to the bottom, and this is how we're going to autopilot this. So we're going to make this an automatic thing. So all you got to do is post your posts into Reddit groups, and with your email address and the link to your article, and you can do this with as many articles as you want. In fact, it's probably recommended to do different articles with each post, so you keep it different, so it's not all the same in each group, right? again, helping you so your posts don't get rejected off of Reddit. Okay, so you want to choose different posts. Like, for example, there were 10 different posts here on this site, or actually even more than that. There's plenty of stories here, success stories on how people have lost weight, right? So you want to do a different story for each post that you do on Reddit in these groups that you sign up to, right? Which I'll show you back here again. As you can see, you can join as many as these as you can. The more you post, the more chance you have to make even more money, right? But you just want to be careful and don't do anything that would get your post rejected off of Reddit. So you want to keep everything different posts on each group, but all about the same thing, success stories, right? Because people like to read success stories. At that point, then it's just a matter of when you come here and you set up. Now, it may in the United States it says vacation responder. In your country, it might show something different here, but it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. You want to make sure that you turn it on. And if you'll see right here, you can see what I did. I put in a subject that see my recommended help for weight loss, and then I put also thank you for replying. I said here you can see my recommendation for healthy, fast weight loss, and I typed click here to see it, and you see there is my Bitly link right there that I pasted in there, which came from right here. It's the same link right there from my ClickBank link. So all you do is, in other words, when you do that and you save the changes down here, click save the changes, and that will save that. So then whenever someone sends you an email about the weight loss, wanting the interest in the weight loss from our post that we posted here, right, it will automatically send them a response automatically to them with your Bitly link. As you see right here, Vacation Responder sends an automated reply to incoming messages, right? So that way you don't even have to worry about it. They're going to get your Bitly link automatically. Whenever somebody shows interest in wanting to see more tips and tricks and other foods and diets and things to help them lose weight, it'll send them your Bitly link with your product to ClickBank, being Lepto Connect right here. And if they buy, you make $115 per sale. But like I said, you can also add more of these ClickBank products down in here below and add like 4 or 5 other ones of these ClickBank products to do with weight loss in here, such as the Cinderella Solution, Keto Resources, and so on and so forth down through here. And you can have even more of a chance to even make more money than that. So your chances of you could make easily $300 to $400 per day, if not higher than that, doing this particular method that I've just showed you here today. So guys, if you like this particular method and you see the power of this method because of so many Reddit groups that you can post this to, and with your email address, I want you to reach down there and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button, guys, and click the bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. And that's my method for you today, to show you a powerful way here to use a ClickBank product or products and make pretty good doggone money with this method. Alrighty guys, well I'm going to let you go with that. If you have an idea for an affiliate marketing business, or you want to get your own business up online, you need to reach down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and see my #1 recommended business and check that out, and I'll leave you guys with that, and I'll see you guys again here in a couple of days on the next exciting video. Don't forget to leave any comments or questions down below. I'll talk at you later. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.